Alright guys, welcome back to my channel again. Part 2 na ng vlog natin to. Ayan na, dumating na lahat ng pagkain. Ayan na. Ayan, we got champurado, we got all this, bachoy, munggo. Ayan o. Tikman natin lahat yan, munggo. We got this chicken and sal pecho. Or pecho. Or we got the tortang talong. We got, ano yun, kay Jordan, balay-balay daw. Ano? Balay, ano? Balay bakulod, ano? Ayan, balay bakulod, oh. Ayan, balay bakulod, yan. Ano yan, libre?
Hindi, kasama ko yan.
Umorder pala kayo?
Hindi, kasama yan.
Yan, oh. Umorder na kayo. Kasama sa Ilonggo.
Yung sa may
At tanggalin nyo yung mga wala ng laman, oh. Para may, Uy, hati-hati tayo sa dessert, ha. Matikman ng lahat, ayan, oh. So may mga dessert pa pala kasama yung Ilonggo, eh. Ilonggo, oh. Mga kabisay nyo, no, umorder ng Ilonggo, ayan, oh. Uy,
sarap ng buhay.
bigyan nyo ako, ah.
May kamato.
Uy, tira nyo ako na. Hati-hati tayo, ayan. May leche flan. Hati-hati tayo para ano, matikman ko rin. Ayan. So, ayan, yan. So, ayan, kakain na ako. Tira nyo ako dyan, ha. Pati yan, tira mo ako dyan. Alright. So, yung kay Jordan, walang ganyan. Sorry guys, so I have to speak English. So you dip it here with the soy sauce and chili and calamansi. There you go. There's a lot of bloggers in the Philippines, foreigner, and they're popular. And make me popular. I'm a Filipino. Sarap. And we got the watermelon juice. Kumain lang kayo, ha?
Ito, patigyan ako naman ako.
And to my subscribers in the US, different nationality, this is how we eat in the Philippines with our hands, with our bare hands. There you go. It might be nasty to you guys, but this is how it is. So this is ano to? Batikulan. Ano yung batikulan? Gizzard. I mean chicken gizzard right here, internal organ. And there you go, guys. To my subscribers right there, my friends. I got the chicken ass right here. Chicken ass. There you go. We like ass in the Philippines. Chicken ass. Harap. That's why to my black brothers, you know, my black brothers, African Americans, come to the Philippines with me, bro. This is the best country in the whole world. Right now, our money is 57 pesos for $1. So there you go, there you go. So quick vlog, you know. See? Oh, dana na. Yung dessert, hati-hati tayo sa dessert, ha. Yan. Yan. Oh, munggo, kain kayo. Oh. Gusto nyo bang kanin? Order ba kayo? Baka wala na. Dali mo, habang may order, tanong mo kung pwede pa.
Gaano ka ba, ano? Gaano tayo? Kasi, gaano ka ba?
Sabihin niya, magko-close na yung kitchen eh.
Apat lang.
Plain rice na, oh.
May kanin pa pala ko siya. Hindi mo.
Sabihin mo na nga, oh.
Hindi mo na doon.
Kuya, pwede pa umorder ng kanin? 5 plain rice. Oh,
Yan ang pinakalas niya, sir.
oh, wala na?
Close na kami.
Oh, magko-close na sila. 5 na? Okay na?
Sa rice?
Order
Okay
dito.
lang sa rice. Anim na po.
6 na plain rice po. Oh, last na po yan. Oh, kasi uwi na ako. Maghuhugas na itong mga to. Joke lang. Alright guys. Tapusin lang natin to. We're gonna end this video right now. We got the chicken installed. Quarter leg and thigh. There we go. And we got the chicken ass right here. It's good. And we got the internal organs right here. So we got everything. Filipino food. We got this little fish. Fried dried fish with tomatoes, onions. I forgot the local name. And we got the iconic leche flan. I know Mexicans, they got this too. And we got the iconic buko pandan. There you go. Coconut with jelly. Alright, there you go. And we got the iced tea and all that. So, alright guys, God bless. It will be uploaded in my channel from Bacolod Chicken Inasal SM Dasmariñas. Love you guys. Peace.